How to fix your Windows Bluetooth driver. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Windows Bluetooth driver. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take here is open up your control panel. So search for control panel on your Windows search bar and open it up. After you're on your control panel, you'll see a lot of different options here. So what you'll need to do is you will actually need to head over to your hardware and sound. So you can head over there and there you will see a lot of different options. Where you can go from here is head over to device manager. You will see under devices and printers, tap on device manager and it should open this up right here. So after you're on a device manager, there you will see a Bluetooth drop down button, tap on it, and there you will see your Bluetooth driver. So all you have to do is double tap on it to open it up. And after you do that, you'll need to head over to the driver tab, tap on it, and there you'll see different options. What you want to do here is tap on update driver. And after you tap on update driver, you can browse through your computer for drivers and simply update it or change it. Now you can also search automatically for drivers, and if there are any better drivers available for you, it'll just show you that. But if it's not, you can just you know go ahead and search it on the Windows Update. So after you find any good drivers here, you can just update it. If you don't find it, you can disable your device, that is disable your driver, and then simply enable it again. So tap on disable and then re-enable your driver. And after you do all that, just restart your device once and your problem should get fixed. And that's how you fix your Bluetooth driver on your Windows. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.